Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about a minimum maximum pair sum in array. So basically it's a medium level question from the LeetCode. So basically it has topics included as arrays. So let's start to solve this problem. Oh, basically they are telling the pair sum of a pair a comma b is equal to a plus b. The maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in a list of pairs. So basically what they are telling is that pair sum means if there are two elements called a and b, the pair sum is the addition of those two elements. And what they are telling is the maximum pair sum is, so if we are given elements in the pair and the maximum pair is the numbers we get adding those pairs. So for example, they have given us, we have pairs 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 4. The maximum pair sum would be, if we plus that, we will get 6 comma 5 comma 8. So in that maximum is 8. So this maximum pair sum would be 4 comma 4, that is 8. So next, so there will be an array called nums given, okay, of length n, and the pair sum of, okay, pair of elements of a nums into, okay, we should pair those elements such that uh, the size of array should be equal to n by 2. The original is n. The size of array should, after pairing elements, should decrease to n by 2. So what they have given is, okay, the each element of nums is exactly one pair. So what they have told us is, okay, each element of an array nums should exactly pair once, not multiple or not duplicacy. Duplicate is not allowed here. So the main point in this question which lot of people get confused is this part. The maximum pair sum is minimized. So actually I would like to explain this with an example here. So here they have given 3 5 2 3. So what they have told is maximum pair sum is minimized. So what they are trying to tell is that if we pair 3 comma 5 and 2 comma 3, we'll get 8 and 5 as the uh, elements. So if we try to calculate the maximum, we will get 8, but the output is 7. So we should pair these elements in such a way that the maximum pair is minimized. So I think the intuition for solving this problem is very easy. So in order to get the maximum pair minimized, what should we do? Okay, we should first sort the elements on the ascending order. Then we should try to pair up the elements and do summing. So here the trick is that when we pair the elements, when we, okay, sort the elements, the ascending in the ascending order, the lowest element should be paired with the largest element. So if we try to pair the largest element with the another largest element, it will get, the sum will be more. So the intuition here is that try to pair the smallest element with the largest element in an array, and then try to compare the elements. So let's try to code this problem. So now, so first we will initialize the, okay, size of an array called nums, okay, called int. Then we will initialize int I is equal to 0 and int j is equal to, okay, why we have taken j is equal to n minus 1, because so we should come when we try to sort. First we'll, okay, the one thing we have missed is we should first sort the elements. After sort, we'll, okay, we have sorted the number, we have sorted the given nums. So we should initialize I element to 0 and j element to n minus 1. So why did we take j is equal to n minus 1? Because we, as we know that after the sorting the elements in the ascending order, the largest element would be at the last. So our intuition or our approach here was that to combine the largest element with the smallest element. So in order to do that, we should assume j is equal to n minus 1. So okay, why I is less than, so basically this is called two pointer approach, as all you, as you know. So we should okay, and we should initialize an variable called int result here. Okay, here int sum is equals to nums of iu plus nums of j, then after I plus plus j minus minus. So because after pairing of two elements we should increase the I element and decrease the j element. So at last, okay, then we know that result is equals to max of sum comma result. So then at last, uh, return the result. Yeah, the test cases are accepted. Okay, as we have seen, we have okay tried to solve this problem using the two pointers approach. So basically two pointers is that we initialize two variables to the given array and we try to solve decrease the time complexity using the two pointers. So as we see here, the time complexity of this problem is big of log n, because as you know we have used the sorting algorithm here. So whenever we use the sorting algorithm, the time complexity of the particular code becomes big of log n. Thank you.